Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel, Epic Designs. My name is Ross, and in today's build, we're going to be building this monster of a thing that you see here behind me. I'm very excited about this project because I've been working on this project for about 2 years. I started this project in 2018, and actually, I decided to finish it because I wanted to start a YouTube channel. So, good for you guys. Also, by the way, if this is your first time at the channel, I would like to welcome you. Please consider becoming a subscriber because on this channel, I'm always going to try to make sure that every new video I put out is better than the last one. Let's get into this build, and I really do hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys later. So this is a Japanese privacy screen that I found in the trash. It looked cool, and I know I was going to be able to build something epic with it later. First, I removed the fabric, hit it with some black spray paint, and I glued on a fluorescent lamp diffuser purchased from the Home Depot to the front. Now that the outside looked the part, it was time to make the rails for the inside. If you guys do decide to try this, you can get creative with it and you do not have to do it the exact same way as I did. This is a regular LED, except that it's cheap, it has Bluetooth, and it also has the mini controller, which makes installation way easier. This second set of LEDs, however, is the star of the show. You can do a lot of customization with this one using an app, and links for it will be in the description below. quick interruption for 30 seconds. My name is Ross, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far. I would just like to encourage you that if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below, as my goal is to make sure that every new video I put out is better than the last one. So if you're enjoying this video, chances are you're going to enjoy the next video, and the next video, and the next video. And if not, well, there's going to be plenty of videos coming out for you to enjoy. Just notice that I placed the LED strips as far away from the front diffuser as possible. This way you get a nice smooth light and you don't see the individual LEDs sticking out.